Hello, welcome to Art with Miss Cass. Today we're starting a new unit of study. We had a little bit of it last week, but now we're more formally starting it. And the essential question is, how do artists create illusions? How do artists create illusions? We will find out. The objective is that students will be able to create optical illusions of their own. Isn't that exciting? So, in order to create optical illusions, we have to use the 5 first elements of art. However, we may not use the 5th. It may only be the first 4. The first 4 elements of art are line, shape, form, value, and with color I put maybe, because you can make optical art projects without using color, but sometimes, depending on the project, you may want to incorporate color. So the first thing we're going to do is review those elements, because you definitely have to have line, shape, value, and form to create an optical illusion. So first, we'll review those elements, and I'd like you to jot this down in your notebook because you will need to know this, that line is a moving point, right? When you have a line, it's basically a bunch of tiny points so close to each other that it creates a line, okay? It's basically more than one point. Shape is when you connect lines, right? You have a line and you connect it, it becomes a shape. Okay, then you have form. Form are 3-dimensional shapes, right? When you take a shape, like a square, and you make it into a cube, like this tissue box, it is now a form. Okie dokie. And value. Value is when it goes from dark to light. And how much dark and how much light depends on how much value. If you have more value, it's darker. If you have less value, it's lighter. So we will be exploring this. And then there is color, if you want to add color to part of your optical illusion. Woo! Optical illusion. Okay, so if you want to add color to your optical illusion, then that will be your 5th element of art, but it's not mandatory. You may only want the first 4. So that is part 1 of this introduction to optical illusions.